the release schedule of the videos. For example, maybe Tuesdays will be day in the life stuff, maybe Fridays will be bus stuff. I really don't know, but I want. Oh, hey, editing Trevor here. I realized I said I was going to have a video for you today. However, I've had some family things come up, and for me, that's taken priority over doing the editing of the video. So, what does that mean? I'm going to have a video for you next week, Friday. In the meantime, this is a video, so I'm still kind of meeting my promise, but let me make things right to you next week with the proper video that I was going to have put out. Right now, the audio quality isn't up to my standard. The video, part of it needs to be reshot because it's overblown. There's a few things that need to get done, and I don't have the time to do them today. So thank you for joining me today. I hope this video will suffice for the time being, and I promise I will have a video for you next week, Friday. Thanks.